Hello friends, in this video, we will see how to install WordPress Standalone Kit on AccuWeb.Cloud. Open AccuWeb.Cloud in your preferred browser. If you are a new user, use Sign Up button, and if you are already registered, click Login. Log using the credentials, username and password that you have set at the time of sign up. Once logged in, you will land on the AccuWeb.Cloud dashboard. Now, to install WordPress, click on Marketplace in the dashboard. A pop-up window will appear. Select Content Management. Choose the WordPress Standalone option and click Install. Another pop-up will appear, allowing you to select your preferred PHP version and other advanced features. You can customize the following options. Choose a name for your environment, example, Demo Project. This name will be used to access your WordPress site's URL. Set a display name, example, Demo Project. Click Install to start the configuration process. The installation of the WordPress Standalone Kit will begin. And you will receive 4 emails on your registered email address. The first email gives successful creation of WordPress environment. The second email provides the public IP. The third email contains the information about successful installation of Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. The fourth email provides credentials for WP Admin, PHP MyAdmin, and WP Cache Admin. To access your WordPress site's URL, go to the dashboard and find the name you provided for your environment, example, Demo Project, and click on Open in Browser option. This is your WordPress site. Thank you for watching this video.